Sir, I know you are married. Yes?
Yes, sir. I'm a married person.
Sir, when did you get married?
I married at 2020.
2020.
Yes.
And how many children do you have?
I have two children, two also boy.
You have two sons.
Yeah, two son.
Well, say something about your sons.
Actually, my first son is 5 years old. My second son is 1 year old. Both are also good. I love too much my son. Without son, I feel alone. Then maximum time I spend my time with my son, with my family.
Thank you very much, sir. In your opinion, what are the responsibilities of a father?
Actually, I think father is very important in our family.
Yes.
Every father have many responsibility because father need to take care family, children, all everything, and father need to do for their family. So I think father is important for family.
That's fantastic. Okay, sir, are you happy in your conjugal life?
Yeah, of course, I am happy because when I married, I understand about my life.
You have understood the
Yeah,
meaning of your life.
yeah, understood about my life because my wife take care me. When I feeling sad, when I feeling alone, or when I feeling any dangerous situation, then my wife support me.
Well,
Yeah,
do you often gift your wife?
yeah. I give her many things. My wife.
And what is the most expensive gift you have ever bought for your wife?
Actually, expensive. Give example me. I am the
You are the most expensive
Yeah.
gift for your wife.
Yeah.
Well, this is an interesting thing. Well, what do you want to do in the next 2 years?
Actually, I have a plan. When I finish this spoken course, I will search a good job with better job in our country. Then I do something for poor people. If I not get better job in country, then I will go abroad like Singapore because
Singapore.
yeah, because I have a lot of opportunity in Singapore because there I was approx 6 year.
6 years.
Yeah,
Well, if I am not wrong, you left your last job,
yeah.
right? Sir, why did you leave your last job?
Actually, I am a job. I was a job holder in my past. There was my position is safety supervisor. They has completed their work. Then they have gone China because my company, my previous company is a Chinese company.
See?
The mega project is Bangladesh is not available. That's why they have gone. That's why I left from my company. Then in my free time, I thought I need to do something. That's why I came here to learning, improve my spoken skills.
Thank you, sir. Sir, how did you come to know about Rahat's English Care?
Actually, first time I thought I need to improve myself. Then I search Facebook. I searched on Facebook. There was there are many coaching center came. Among them, Rahat English Care also one of them. Then I search with people what about Rahat English Care. They told me Rahat English Care is the best coaching center for learning
The
English.
beginners, right?
For
Who
beginner.
want to learn from the very beginning, right, to the advanced level.
Yes, sir.
Well, sir, what do you like the most about Rahat's English Care?
Actually, when I came Rahat English Care, I don't have idea about Rahat English Care before. When I came Rahat English Care, then I know everything about Rahat English Care because I am a residential student. Then I know. After I know that Rahat English Care is very good for beginner because every teacher are very friendly and helpful for student. They teaches every student easily, and their teaching style is unique. Then our residential area also very good for us because we have mentor and their rules and regulation are very unique for us and supportive.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.